Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you everyone? I hope you are fine and doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 3 student. Student, our today's topic is chapter 12. We have already discussed this chapter. Today we will discuss short question and broad question of this chapter. Let's see today's topic properly. Our today's topic is chapter 12 and the name of this chapter is population and natural environment, and this is lecture number 11 and I will give you some SW. Your SW number will be 11 number SW. And this is your science book, and our today's topic is based on this chapter 12, and this is the last chapter of your science book, population and natural environment. Today we will discuss short question and broad question of this chapter. So let's start today's class, dear student. You can see here is only one short question and one broad question. The short question is write 5 resources that we get from the natural environment. The answer is 5 resources are 1 number plant, 2 number animal, 3 number water, 4 number soil and 5 number rock. And here is a broad question. Now we will discuss about broad question. The question is, what happens to our life if the population continues to grow? The answer is, if the population continues to grow, many problems may arise. First point is, we will face some problems like shortage of food to eat and space to live. Next point is, for growing population, arrangements need to be made for additional food, utensils, furniture, etc. Now the last point is C number point. When the population grows, people are destroying the natural environment to meet their additional needs. So student, I have finished my today's topic. Now I will give you some SW, and your SW will be, this is 11 number SW. Remember that when you will do your SW, please write down the SW number, and your SW will be broad question and answer. You can see here is only one broad question and answer, and this is your SW. I am repeating your SW. This is 11 number SW, and your SW will be broad question and answer. That means this broad question and answer. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. Dear student, stay home and well, abide by your parents. See you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.